Hey guys, Brian here with another tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about vertical footing cracks. These nasty boogers occur whenever a house or a building has differential movement. So if a corner of a building has sunk, then you're going to have a crack up here. This crack is a relief point. It's the weakest point in the concrete that is going to allow it to go ahead and relieve the stress level of the concrete. So that's why the crack occurs. Now, if you go and just epoxy or put a Band-Aid on the crack and not necessarily fix the settlement issue, it's just going to crack somewhere else or reopen up that crack in the future because you actually haven't fixed the problem, you've just masked it. So in order to fix it correctly, you'll need to do some sort of underpinning, soil stabilization, or something of that nature to fix it correctly and have the crack not occur again. And that's your tip of the day.